Lake's still frozen, but not that safe. And the shoreline has come away a bit. So today is work in the shed day. Here's our part of our wood pile. There's some more. Some more over there. And this is what we're working on this year. Probably go through all of that, and this. That should take us to March. Almost all the snow's off the roof. We got a new roof put on this year. It was a steel roof. It's working great. Sleds are in takeoff position, but might as well get the ATV out because there's not much snow left. We went from 3 feet at the beginning of December to basically 6 inches of mushy snow. And here we have the workshop. I'm working on this sleigh right now, just finishing it up, just fixing it up from last year. Kind of took a beating, so put some screws in, fortified it. Next is one of the sleds, but yeah, I built this just before COVID. Let me get this off. Oh my God, there we go. Just built it before the fall of 2020, and this is my fortress of solitude. Got this for a great deal, and got some used barn roofing. All this tongue and groove came from our house in Toronto in the basement. It's over 120 years old. Some good lead paint there. Yeah. This is where we fix the sleds, fix the ATV. Here's Dan McLeod, our counselor for up here. Great guy. This is where our cottage is. This is a topographic map from 1961. We're just right on that point right there. Yeah. That's the shed. And hopefully we get some cold and snow. It's supposedly coming by the weekend, so maybe we'll be able to get the sleds across the lake safely. Keep you updated. Talk to you later.